Okay. Any random Elvises up here, I wonder? I don't know. There's a random guy dressed as a seagull. Let's have a look at the seagull guy. What the heck's that got to do with Elvis? I have no idea. As far as I'm concerned, nothing. Oh, pink ladies.
Don't feed the seagulls.
Elvis the seagull.
Don't feed the seagulls.
More seagulls. Oh. Yeah, clearly the crazies come out to play at the same time. Right. Oh my goodness me. That's funny. Silly, but funny. And absolutely nothing to do with Elvis whatsoever.